Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set with Bless. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon on the screen. Yeah, dancehall artist Gaza Sheba is back at it again, giving us her men problems, and trust me, she says she not in at the farting thing again. Meaning she can't bother, rush into a new relationship because you have to go hold your fart and all of them things. You know what I mean? But I'm inclined to believe Vybz Kartel was, how should I say this, was somewhat of a reason for her husband for leaving her. Right? As you can see, she lap up with the boss and all of these things. You know what I mean? And no man is going to be approved in them type of behavior there from them woman, especially them bona fide women. So she say, man, I make people attack in their ears and all of these things, and them now defend now. You know what I mean? But people did ask some questions about Vybz Kartel and her life, and she said, her ex them a stalk her roach, Yeah, people that screenshot the live them and I send them and all of these things. So people that's like and share the video from now and let's hear what go on for not to go on this.
Cause he was a good ex. Him see him one said to me, say, yo, you're crazy as fuck, cause a Yankee. Him say, you're crazy as fuck, like, but I just love your crazy ass. Like, you so fucking crazy, but I just want you. So people do look at 10% of madness, so me if they can't work with. Me not gonna say the 10% no make me strangle them 1 and 2 times. It make me strangle them 1 and 2 times, yes. Me not gonna say the 10% no make me thump them in their head side sometime. But if you not do nothing, that side there me not come out, that them not understand. Once you fuck up my meds, I just say it there, we are going mad. No, me there with man before, man. Me tell some there with man we mad like me, people. Like, literally mad like me. When me find out say I give me bone, I'm going to say, reel up half my bed and kick and blood clot. I'll drop a gun and then kick to one that. We just kick like we are Van Damme. When we don't fight and tear and beat up one another, we just go lay down in our bed. I start questioning and asking about the girl them when give me bone with. Like literally I saw me stay people. Me have to fight and exhaust myself and then me good after that. Once me fight and me exhausted and me decide say, you know what, this not even make no sense and me not left my man at the end of the day. So when me make sense, when me have a cuss about all of them girls I know me not left. But just lay down but me have to beat you up a little bit or me have to wrestle out or tussle out a little bit first and then me good again. Cause you think me gonna make no girl have the satisfaction to come say, you take my man, you give a fucking crazy bitch. Yeah, no. Make me left the man, but you not gonna feel like you can tell yourself, say, yeah man, and me make sure the boy left, and me make sure left the boy. You're crazy? Y'all go suck it that mother with that. You now make me left my man. Nope. If me decides to walk away now, well, that is that. But you, no feel say me I go find out say you give me bun with my man and me I go left? No. Cause if me left him, I go take 5 to 6 more man and them still I go give me bun. So better me just take the one, go and give him back bun, and him just go and give me the bun. Simple as that. But me no plan for go rotate. Me not have no time for that. You know how long it take me if you can fart in front of one man. Then me if I go change man every minute now, if it take me months and weeks and days to fart in front of them. That don't make no sense. Me literally almost our 1 year me and the other youth did a talk for and about 8 months in the one. 9 months in the 1 year and take for hear me like a one fart. So me if you go take one next man now, if you come 8 and 9 months again out of we relationship and when me a fart in front of him, making can actually hear and by accident because me never did a laugh and pooping would if you hear me poop. Me not have them the strength, the people, me not have them the time, them, me not depend them something there. If you go through them long what that something they fear know people and me can't be bothered there, man. So better me just stay with my one man when me know say him would fuckable and him buzzable or whatever. Until me just tired, then me say okay, then me can't be bothered. If me say him not change or if him not make no step towards change, then me will walk away. But no girl not get me if you left my mind. I don't care what they want to say me how you made dashing head, cocoa head. Me not care what kind of head they want to say maybe. Yes, I'm very much single now. But no girl not gonna take my man or fuck my man and feel like say she. I gonna say she. Make me and my man left. And no man no care much girl they fuck for me, them not leaving me. So no man don't leave me for no girl. Let me just put that out there. Boy, I don't know about the man when I want to hear woman fart, you know, because I say I don't really talk to little boy, because a little boy mentality that, because human being a human being, and flatulent have to come out. Flatulent have to come out. So when a man come talk about, oh, I don't want to hear woman fart, that frown not hear a man, so someone just left it, because that is not a man, that is a boy. How you for help her come out to a human body? The reason why we woman not do it is because we just shame. We just shame. Thank you, Oval. And I say we can't clap too far in front of them, but you know, say we pride and we shame. Make we hold it. The first time me go do when me talk to one you, not this you, but to be honest, one Mexican man me that talk to. And the first time me I do, you know, long me I hold up to do people for days, you know. Because through me I say I'm Mexican man, I don't want to know say me can't do. People they see the one time me go do and the man come in at the house and said smell like a donkey died in here. People me shame. Me shame. Me shame you fuck for that. Me not shit no. Me not I don't shit. I don't fart. Make people hear. I don't do it. Oh. If me and a man them wait till him go work, me let out all I shit them we want let out and all I fart them. I swear, any man when me there with can tell you. Me have to know you fi say alright then me can use the bathroom make you see. Or make you know say me India use it. Me not care no more that did rather did dead. Cause from that the man they said that to me like that man they create a trauma in me. Me no want shit nor fart in front of no man. Yes, but me stay stush. But I rather stay stush. But me I tell you friend, the man said that the man kill everything in a me man. So me if you go change man every minute now for take weeks and months and days and years for them come here, me like go one fart. Me can't bother with that. People not like the starting all over again business. So here wife, me there with a man and him a go and take it, fuck some girl pussy if you get fuck. Fuck your girl then, me not care. Nah, nothing to do with me. Cause once me and you left and me and you good, we good. Thank you, Nels. In a business where people see me as, you know, that's why when me come on the net and me talk my truth, you know. Right? When me come on here and me talk people, that's why you see, the man them will watch me, the man them when me there with our wife, I used to there with them friend, them have to watch me because guess what? Them not expect say me if you come on the net, me if you come on the net come out bougie and fake. I am not doing that blood clot for nobody. Them want me if you come on the net to come act like I'm something I'm not. There's a time and place for everything. So when we go certain places, I know what time it is. When we go places that require me to be etiquette, I'm etiquette. When we go places that require me to be bougie, I'm bougie. When me come on the net, this is my free space. This is my haven. So when me come on here, I reason with my people, them know. When me no want nobody if you come and watch me and I carry news to whichever man me I talk to and I come say, oh, look at she, look how she go on, because at the end of the day, you bumble don't know me in a real life. Not only enough people, me I talk about the people who carry news. Don't know me in a real life, I mean the person where they know me. So whosoever me they would know, this is what me don't like with some of them man at all. Because some of them too soft, some of them is some pussy ass nigga. Because you have a woman where you there with her, you hear your woman sleep and you hear your woman there. You know your woman habits them, so you supposed to know more than anybody else. So you know, so when my woman go on the net, I just fear a little thing that. But differently, you can't get her stay a certain type of way. You can't get her be certain type of girl. You're supposed to run with people. And that with some of them man, instead of them run with people, them welcome the news. That's why people so open. That's why enough of them, man and girl, can get news up. Because them the people, I'm sure them will take the news. And Una put on a show for the people and because you come and go like say, oh okay, whatever, them come, oh this is the type of girl you're talking to. When them come to Uno, yes, she me a talk to her what? You want it? You want me? You want me? I want you want me? Are you me a fuck? Me can't ask you for $1 when me need it? No. I saw me want man to deal with people and them come to them about me. And if he's not that type of man when me I do with you. If you as a man can't defend me as your woman, right? You better you come back to me and say, boy, mama, you know, you better you not say this or whatever. I understand. I will understand. I say, okay then. Me will tone it down a bit. But once you're there with me, you must know my history. Because remember, you know, people, my history depend long before now, you know. So if you are going to take me up as a man, you must know the history of me long before you take me up. So you are going to tell me, say you are virgin when you start talking to me that you don't know my history. Everybody know from me, and who don't know me and who and which crosses used to depend on it back and forth. So that the who don't know, say, net is digital footprint. So any man I got there with me and not dig up all of them files and know say he's a terrible lot clock girl when me ready. Then don't there with me then. Cause I don't like you don't know what you sign up for, what you bargain for. But you make a little bougie ass people, they might come tell you, say, oh, I don't like her, she's too vulgar, or she's too out there, or she needs some class, or she needs some decorum. Go suck on the mother, you supposed to go suck on the mother, my woman have class when she's supposed to have class, and decorum when she have decorum. You as my man supposed to be a defender of me, because nobody come to me, come tell me nothing about my man. Let me tell you this. Me I send them up under my man mother, my mother feed them mother and them mother. Don't come tell me nothing. Me I defend my man behind him back and in front of him face. So if me not have a man I give me them same energy, then me not want him either. Because if a man can come tell you, anybody can come tell you anything about me or how them feel, because how them feel about me. You decide, say me where you do it is not a good woman for you. Well, fuck you too. And me and you there, and me and them there. So at the end of the day, if you da run with people for your woman and I defend people and I defend your woman when it come on to people, I bet say them who come to you with the news, because they don't know say, boy, I can't tell you some man nothing about Sheba, you know. Because I'm gonna run them, and man I go run me way. Some of them take a lot of news. And then I come want me back now when me single. Don't want me back. No, don't stay with the people that used to carry on the news to go. Because nothing about me not change. Because see me single, I'm still up on the net. When me did have a man, me dip on the net, I talk me shit. When me come off, when me not have a man, me dip on the net, I talk me shit. So, when me did there, and your people, them used to watch me, because even right now, people, I kid you not, me can tell us, right now, me dip on the live, yeah? You have some of them ex-man, them ex-gal watch me. You have some of them people that watch me. Just fit screenshot the life and send it right back to them. Like, what the fuck wanna keep tabs for me for? Once me single, any fucking thing me do, me not really care, you know. Because me single, me and the people not there. I don't take them because the fact is, not for no secret, you want to fuck the people, them are quiet. And they born no say them come talk to somebody like me and not somebody like Uno. And enough of them man are there with woman to please them family and please them friend. That's why enough of we woman get used. Because really and truly, we is not the man cup of tea. Enough man there with woman and married woman that is not them cup of tea people. I mean, no must know one and two somebody. We're there with one girl, but not that type of girl, them girl. Why you think most of them top class man they would give them wife born with some blood clot, some dark, devious ghetto girl like me? Because I really me are them type, but guess what? Them wife are the type of put in a corporate and for show off with. But I really know them type of girl in them one. If you don't be honest with yourself, enough of them want to say have them look wife a script, I come to the office. I really and truly know them type of woman that them want, but them just put them on the forefront. Because them look good in a people's eyes. And when you look on the type of girl them, alright, you ever be one type of girl and you really look on the type of girl them where your man give you bone with or your man like and fetish over. And when you take a stack and think about it, you realize, say, you know, say me is not this man type of girl. Don't be shame people, think about it. Even man too. Think about the type of man them where your woman give you born with. Or when you look up the type of man in picture when you see she like. Or the type of man them where she watch pan porn or wherever. And you realize, say, you know, say me is really not the woman type of man. She just settle for me because me look good to the public or me look good to our family. Exactly suspect. Some man will look me when they see the woman when they married me and ask him what the fuck he do with me. And me him truly want. And me I'm type of woman really and truly him love the roughneck, him love the ragamuffin, him love everything about me. But what? Because of the family where I come from and the standard where I'm representing marry that woman when I don't want, when I don't even love. Where sometimes he even want to see. But he can come home and say, honey, I'm home. And she's like, oh, you're home. Script. And she look good at go to church with the family. But if some of them man could have picked the woman where them really want and stay with the woman where they really want, you know that see where them get for pick. And because them afraid that what people are going to judge them. As me say what make me and most of the man them left sometime. Because them choose what people think about them and think about the woman where them have over what them truly want. Some man sacrifice them happiness because them are live for people. That's why me grow my son, people. I mean, I care when nobody want to say, you see, if my son come present a whoremonger, a all that, anything and say, him like that girl, another girl I want, another girl I love, me not have a problem. No, how me have a problem is depending upon how she treat him. Because me not go sit down as a mother and say some woman do certain things to my son, and that's so me have a problem. But it no matter if him bring whore, all that, Jezebel, anything, church girl, stushy bushy, once him come, any one of my son them come and say, mommy, that woman I want, even my daughter. That, me okay, and she your love? Alright, fine. But once me see she not take advantage of my son, once me see she not have him a speed run like a gig, once me see a good girl and me say, alright, she might be blood clot. The girl might have sell pussy out run her road there, so but you know, so she take care of my son, she make sure saying clothes wash, she make sure saying food cook, she make sure the house clean, whatever. A good girl. A she him love. So when me have to do more than support it. Cause me myself now discriminate no woman as a woman. Everybody know why me did have a problem when my son there with such girl. You don't know why. It's not the type of girl, it's the behavioral attitudes. The stuff we used to do. I never really the person themselves made have a problem with. And that people never understand. So if any man come to me and me and him go left because this person I say, I don't like her for you. I don't like her for you. So because your blood clot friend, your family or some girl or someone of your ex can tell you, say them not like me for you. You decide say me and you for left. Well, okay, fine. I got no problem. But don't come back. Because when you got there with them, I go there with whosoever them recommend for you and you fucking there over there you're unhappy in yourself, and enough of them man as me said, them unhappy in them relationship because them don't choose the woman where them want, them choose the woman where look good in a people's eyes. Them themselves don't happy, them miserable. Them walk and them fuck like a dog, like a baby sacks. Because guess what, the woman when truly want, the woman with him don't want people to know say him wants. I don't know why I try out for Bobby Sacks them much. I know say him walk and fuck like a dog, but just I use him. I know say he cocky friendly man. Any girl can get it. Any girl can get it. He not partial. They can get the cocky, but they not get the wifeship and they not get the ownership. But they will get it. Because the woman when really want a wife and the woman when really want there with him probably don't want. You know him fear people are going to judge him. Say the type they want. Enough man do that for you. Whole heap of man right now. That's why you have so much happy side chick out there and so much miserable wife. Because the man take the girl when they really want and the woman when they have to present to family and friends. And ladies, as harsh as it might sound, it's true. It might sound away, people, but it's true. No found no balls of the man have side woman, but at the end of the day, apart from me not talk about the man, they just fucking crave and just want to fuck because of fuck's sake. Me talk about the man, they literally have their woman and they just can't see him for left either one specific girl alone. Or them just out there with you fat and your thick and you out there seeing with some girl with fear stick. Like a girl just fear some stick. him no want introduce the kukum to people. Him no want people know say the kukum him love. Me I give you an example or something. So one time I did have a friend named, I want to call her name. Fuck it. Me did have a friend one time named Trudy. Years now me and her talk, so me can't call her name. She did there with a youth named Champs. Yeah, I think him dead now or something. People will know me, I know them. I gonna know who. And Trudy fat enough, people Trudy fat enough. Fat but I look good shape, good fat. You know them type of fat girl they wear. Them fat but them fat sit down in the right places them. I don't know outer shape fat. You understand? On a big top and small bottom fat. Like them sexy fat there. Body cock up fat and you know what? Girl look good, carry herself good, cute face fat. And then you have this little sitting now. This maga little wimpy, looking nerdy, looking one named Danny.
Well, I don't know if it's just me, people, but it seems like all of Vybz Kartel, you know, concubine them did not wait for him, you know, for come from prison. So, you know, them could have picked off from where them last left. And I'm pretty sure that would have happened, you know, if he wasn't in jail for like 13 years. But, you know, life goes on, and it seems like, yeah, only for him one and Shorty and, you know, and baby mother one is up in. Anyway, people want to go along on this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.